XHZ was established in 2001 and has a history of more than 20 years. It is located in Yangzhou City, Jiangsu Province, covering an area of 26,000 square meters. We specialize in the manufacturing and distribution of high and low voltage diesel generator. The annual output is stable at about 3,000 sets, which are widely sold to foreign markets. For our generator, we partner with world-renowned engine brands, including Cummins, Volvo, Yuchai, Shaanxi, Weichai, and Perkins, and etc. To guarantee top-notch performance, our product portfolio mainly includes open-type generator, silent generator, mobile silent, and containerized generator, providing comprehensive production to sell services. We've obtained several certifications, such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and EUCE certification, along with over 10 patented technology approvals. Equipped with state-of-the-art production facilities and a professional team of technicians, we offer complete technical solutions and industrial processes, covering everything from standard diesel generator to high-pressure, desert-proof, and plateau-adapted models. XHZ operates multiple workshops, namely the cutting workshop, assembly workshop, painting workshop, finished product workshop, and a testing center. This setup ensures that every product leaving our factory is 100% compliant. These generators function not only as regular power sources for day-to-day operations, but also as reliable emergency backup power supplies. We provide a rich variety of generator set solutions. Our self-manufactured generator range from 20 kilowatts to 3,000 kilowatts. Moreover, we've established a full-fledged 3-level after-sales service system, providing installation, commissioning, maintenance, and all-round support. If you have any needs or questions, please feel free to contact us. We will provide you with professional services and full support.